Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about 1999vintage.com website and we will find out whether this is a legit or a scam. So as you know, this is an online store specialized in vintage clothing and particularly items from the 1990s to 2000. But I don't find it exactly this old. This is just the prints and nothing else, right? But I'm no one to comment on the designs and everything. Let's talk about this, business credentials. So domain register aligning with the claim founding date of 2014. So let me show you this website. As you can see here, the domain was registered on 23 July 2014 here. There's a no address on the website, and also there's a no contact info. This is in the name of contact info, they have just this number, and in the email address, that's it. There's a no address. I don't know how we are going to know that from which country they are operating on, right? How we are going to contact the address, right? And secure payment processing. Payment are processed through Shopify payments, which is generally regarded as secure. That's fine. And product representation. Customer photos reportedly match the item received, which is a good sign. Again, dropshipping scam that often misrepresent product quality, right? So these are the positive things which I told you. Right now, let's talk about the red flags here. So low trust score. Some reviews indicates that the trust score for this site is low, suggesting positive risk. This may be due to the website relatively recently established and low traffic ranking. So let me show you the traffic of this website here. And as you can see here, it's completely zero, right? They are not getting any traffic on this website, and the keywords and something, so it's not appropriate. And mixed reviews on the other platforms. So if you just go and check on different platforms that how this is, as you can see here, the trust score is 22, which is not good. As you can see here, these are the negative highlights and these are the positive highlights of this website. So in conclusion, I cannot say this website is completely fake or doing a scam. Maybe this website got closed and no traffic is coming on because no customer is purchasing any product from his store or this store, right? And as you can see here, nothing is happening. So exactly, I cannot say these are the fake, but it's completely up to you. I've shown you each and everything. Now you can compare and get a conclusion for yourself. I hope you found this information really useful. Subscribe.